The Colt AR-15 is a lightweight, magazine-fed, gas-operated semi-automatic rifle. It is a semi-automatic version of the M16 rifle sold for the civilian and law enforcement markets in the United States. Colt's manufacturing company currently owns the AR-15 trademark and is used exclusively for its line of semi-automatic AR-15 rifles. Due to financial problems and limitations in terms of manpower and production capacity, Armalite sold the AR-15 design and the AR-15 trademark along with the Armalite R10 to Colt's manufacturing company in 1959. Colt started selling the semi-automatic version of the M16 rifle as the Colt AR-15 in 1964. The first mass production version was the Colt AR-15 Sporter in .223 Remington with a 20-inch barrel issued with 5-round magazines. Colt has since made many different models of AR-15 rifle and carbine models, including the AR-15, AR-15A2, AR-15A3, AR-15A4, and others. Sale of new AR-15s in the USA was banned by the Federal Assault Weapons Ban from 1994 to 2004. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.